so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. As you guys saw in the title of this video, I am going to be doing a review of Ariana Grande Cloud. So if you guys want to go ahead and see this review, then go ahead and stay tuned. Also, if you like this video and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to go ahead and like it and hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So this is what the actual box looks like, and I did get the 1 ounce bottle because this is my first time trying it. I did smell a sample of this a little while ago and I liked it, so I wanted to go ahead and get the full size bottle. And this is what the actual bottle looks like. So this is what the actual bottle looks like, and it does come out of this little cloud base, and when it comes out, this is what the actual bottle looks like. When I unpackaged this for the first time, the actual bottle really reminded me of the Chanel Chance perfumes because of its shape and because of the writing on the front of it. It really reminds me of that, so I kind of think that's a little cool. Now let's go ahead and get on to the notes of this fragrance. So the top notes of this fragrance are bergamot orange, rich lavender, and juicy pear. The heart notes are whipped cream de la coconut, sweet praline, and vanilla orchid. And the base notes are cashmere, musk, and wood. And they classify this as a floral fragrance. It's not that floral to me. When I smell it, it just smells really nice. Smelling this actually reminds me of In the Stars by Bath & Body Works. Like when you smell it just from the cap, it literally smells so much like it. But once you actually spray it onto your skin, it has a little more sweetness than In the Stars. Like when you spray it, when you first spray it, you really get that In the Stars feel, but then it warms down and you really smell that coconut and also the cashmere woods. Like it smells really nice. Like when it warms down, it almost smells like a mixture between In the Stars and Ariana Grande Ari. Just a little bit more mature. Like it really smells nice. Now, like there are some people who really don't like celebrity fragrances and say that they all smell the same. This one really, it stands out to me, and like all of her perfumes really do. That's why I like them so much. But this is definitely one of my favorites. Like I could blind buy one of her perfumes and usually I'll like it. Like it just, they're simple, but they're not too simple. They have a little bit of something extra, so you smell really nice. And my signature scent used to be Ariana Grande Ari, and I used to get so many compliments on that. People would be just like, what are you wearing? You know, just say like, oh, sorry. They'd be like, really? But like you really wouldn't know or think it was something kind of cheap unless you tell somebody. So I really like that about her perfumes. Now this does retail for $44, I think. I purchased this one from Walmart online, of course, and let me see how much I paid exactly. So at Ulta you can get a 1 ounce for about $44. On Walmart.com I got a 1 ounce for $24.89. So that's why I stress like the importance of checking Walmart for your favorite fragrances, because online like you could really almost find just about anything and it's fairly cheap. That is definitely my spot to get perfumes. So overall, I really like this perfume. This is one that I really kind of didn't think that I needed to add to my collection, but I am so happy that I did, because this is good for an everyday scent. Like I would wear this every day. I like smelling like this. Like it's just really nice. It makes you feel good when you smell a certain kind of way, and this It's just amazing. I love it. And I know I say I love all my perfumes, but this one I really, really, really love. And if you want to try it out, I definitely recommend trying it. I'll post a link to where I got this down below in the description box so you guys can check it out if y'all want. And also, if you have this or if you tried it before, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. So guys, that is it for now. I hope you really, really, really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.